So we have another promotion available, which is a 150 US dollar no deposit bonus. This is a bit tricky, so I want to give you all the information that you may need to continue signing up on the broker. Okay, they are saying the broker started operation on 2016, which is about how many years ago? About 7 years ago by now, or 6 years ago. So as you can see, there are not a lot of information given here, except they trade crypto, and they are also good at providing information, signals, and everything. So before I waste the time, let's just go look on the terms and conditions that they may require for us before we sign up here. Okay, so as you can see here, the name of the broker is UNFXB. That's a broker's name, and the bonus can expire in 30 days after claim. After you claim, the bonus can expire in 30 days. So meaning you have 30 days to trade, and you can choose an account of live account ECN Pro MT5 server, the server for the bonus. So it's available for new clients, and that's the information we get. The leverage is 1 to 200, which is fine. Okay, here comes the part where you have to verify your email, verify your KYC with the proof of address and proof of identity. Okay, after that, now we have to look on the vital information when it comes to the bonus claim. So what they are saying is that after successfully verified, you have to open a trading account and claim your bonus via email to, this is the email, so account at unfxb.com, stating your trading account number. If approved, the bonus will be created immediately. So what they are saying here is that after you are verified, you just have to send an email to this email. All you have to do is maybe just write something like, I'm applying for a no deposit bonus of 150. This is my account number 26, whatever account number is. And once you give your account number, and if you are approved, they will credit it immediately after they receive your email. Then you start trading. So let's go to the withdrawal here. They are saying that you withdraw the withdrawal amount of money. Let me just move this one up. They are saying that the bonus cannot be withdrawn, but you can draw a maximum of 150, but they didn't give the minimum here. So 150 is not really a lot of money. So let's see. And they are saying that you have a total trading volume. You have to trade a total trading volume of 50 standard lots in 30 days, which is massive. So all we're gonna do here is gambling. Okay, this is just pure gambling, because I'm not gonna trade 50 lots size standard lots in 30 days. How is it even possible, given the account is quite bigger? But this is massive gambling. So yeah, some people can do it. I know people who can do it, but for me, I cannot go for that. I'm too busy to keep trading this for 50 lot in 30 days. But yeah, at least if you can do it, you better sign up and get this bonus. So as long as they're not asking you to deposit anything, so you are free to sign up and see if they can give you the no deposit bonus account. Only trades on approved and calculated forex instrument, metals, indices, commodities can be counted to the required lot. So promotion may change anytime. We know these rules all the time. But anyways, there are no other further information here on FX zones, but the information given there is pretty clear. If there is any terms and condition given apart from writing here, so probably they can provide you once you sign up on the broker. Anyway, they didn't specify the name, the countries available. So all we're gonna do, maybe just check about them. If they have a live chat there, just go and live chat them, so you get the information on whether they are allowing your country. And if they do, then good luck with it, and see you again on the next video. But before we go further, make sure that you give us a thumb up.